Let's talk about layouts. You can create your own templates or use the default templates included in Adobe Connect. Adobe Connect rooms have three different default templates: the sharing, discussion, and collaboration templates. And those can be found in the sidebar in your meeting room. There are two ways to create layouts, as is shown on images 1 and 2. The first way to create a new layout is using the Layouts menu. To create a new layout from the Layouts menu, click on the Layouts and simply click on Create New Layout. From here, you can choose to create a blank layout or duplicate an existing layout. If you decide to create a duplicate of an existing layout, you can choose from the drop-down menu of any existing layout. If you are creating a new layout, you can actually enter a name for that particular layout and click OK. The other way to create a new layout is simply clicking on the plus symbol on the side layout bar, and you will then get the dialog screen. From here, then again, you can choose to create a new layout, a duplicate an existing layout. Those are the two different ways that you can create layouts in Adobe Connect. Let's talk about managing layouts. The Managing Layouts menu can be accessed by clicking on Layout, Manage Layouts. From this menu, you can rename, delete, or reorder layouts. To rename a layout, you simply want to click on it and click on Rename, and you'll be able to rename the layout. If you want to delete a layout, you're going to click on the layout and click on Delete, and it'll automatically delete the layout. Please note that once a layout is deleted, you will not be able to retrieve it. Another option you have from this menu is to reorder your layouts by simply clicking on the move up or move down arrows on the screen. And once you're finished, you just click Done. Another option you have to reorder or rename your layouts is using the bar. For example, if you would like to reorder, you simply select a layout and drag and drop. To rename a layout, you just want to double click. You can rename your layout. Those are the two different ways that you can choose to reorganize or rename in the side layout bar. Let's talk about the layout bar options. By default, the layout bar is located on the right-hand side of the screen. By clicking on the layout bar options, you can dock it to the left, which now your bar will be located on the left-hand side of the screen. You can reposition it to the right, or you can simply select Auto Hide. The Auto Hide option will give you an arrow where you will be able to bring it back if you would like to. To bring your sidebar to appear again, you want to unclick on the Auto Hide if you would like to see it permanently on your screen. These are the options that you have on the layout bar. Let's talk about the Reset Layout option from the Layout menu. From the Layout menu, you have the option to reset the layouts. You have to use this option carefully. This action will actually reset all of the layouts for your meeting room and the presenter only area and the breakout rooms too. The content that you have uploaded will not be deleted. However, the layouts will be removed or reset. You can use layouts to set content. Did you know that you can use the layouts to effectively upload, share, and switch content during a live lesson? Uploading content in different layouts will make it easier for transitioning content during a live lesson. You want to rename them appropriately, and you may even add a number so you know what order you will be switching your layouts. Set them up in the order that you're sharing them. Test and practice prior your session. You want to click on the layout to switch. Keep in mind that some share pods will reset after switching from layout. For example, captioning, Video Game Cloud, Word Cloud, and other add-ons will reset when switching layout. I'm going to show you an example of switching the layouts. I'm going to move to a discussion layout. I'm going to switch to the blank layout, and I'm going to go back to my original layout. You can upload content in different layouts so that you can transition content easily. Here is an example of using different layouts during the same live session. We utilized different layouts during our last Adobe Connect training to maximize time and avoid transition issues when sharing content. This will allow you to transition between pods and content easily during a live session. You can easily go back to previous layout just by switching from the side layout bar. Using layouts to set different content during your live lesson could really help you effectively share and switch content during a live lesson. Just a quick reminder to name or label your layouts appropriately so that you can find them easily as you're switching during your live lesson.